This is exactly how to send big videos on Instagram. So the first thing we need to do is to actually close our Instagram app and instead go to the App Store if you have an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you have an Android, just so you know. And then in here just search for an app that is called Dropbox here, as you can see. So search for Dropbox app and then get this app right here. This app is amazing when it comes to sharing large files, just so you know. So I've already gotten the app. So now when you have gotten Dropbox, just open up the app here. And it's free up to 2 gigabytes, just so that you're aware of that, which is also really awesome. So now what I'm going to do is to click on this plus icon here, and you can click on upload photos, but you can also upload videos, it's no problem, just so you know. And then click on the check mark here. Oh, now it's okay. Then I'm just gonna click on upload right here. And then you can see it's loading here for me now. And once it's done loading, just click on the 3 lines here and then click on share and click on copy link here, as you can see. Then close the app and go to Instagram, go to the person that you want to be able to send that specific video to and just paste the link in there. You can see, and once they click on your link here, they're gonna leave Instagram, of course, and they will be taken straight to your Dropbox right here, as you can see. And I'm just gonna click on the accept all here and then click on open. And you can also open it in browser or open in app. You can click on open in browser and you can see they will then be able to view your video right here. It does take a while sometimes for it to start. I do have bad Wi-Fi as well, to be fair, but you see that it's now going to start the video right here. And that is basically exactly how to do this.